Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Paloma here. It's all about fragrances and beauty on my channel. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and you will always get informed when I upload a new video. So today I'm doing an unboxing video because I ordered so many wonderful scents and I want to do an unboxing together with you. It's my first unboxing of the year. I'll show you what I got. Okay, what is it? Okay, what did I order? I will start with Kenzo Amour. I saw Saul talking about. She spoke a lot about Kenzo Amour and I have never smelled it before. So first of all, packaging is beautiful. And now I'm very excited. How does it smell, the Kenzo Amour? Oh, packaging is gorgeous. Packaging is outstanding. Kenzo Amour. Okay, no. How does it smell? Where will I spray it? I spray it here on the little bird. Oh, it's very sweet. First impression. It's sweet, it's charming, it's flirty a little bit. I will spray it here on the pullover as well. Let me see. Okay, first you get a little alcoholic vibes. I will test them later and I will let you know what I think about them. So then I ordered. Oh, how does it open? How can I open it? Why they are always so tricky to open? Very tricky to open. Okay, need my scissors. So I ordered. Ay, meu Dios. So, I ordered Pure Musk by Narciso Rodriguez for her. I read a lot of positive comments about this scent and I thought maybe it's a nice one when we have 2021 and still staying at home and not leaving the home, and I thought it. How does it open? How do we open the bottle? Ah, okay. So, first impression. It's a nice bottle design, very clean, I love it. Oh, scent is perfect. It's very clean. It's like the bottle. It is classy. A very classy musky scent with a little freshness. I love it. Love by the first sniff. Next one I ordered was Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, I already know how it smells because I had a tester and I wanted it so badly in the full size. Okay, I ordered 30 ml because I have so many fragrances. And look how gorgeous the packaging is. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love the bottle. I love the bottle design. And I will spray it again. Wonderful lavender. It gives me some relaxing vibes. That's why I ordered it, because I love the lavender notes. I love this relaxing, calming orange blossom and musk notes. It's so beautiful. I love the scent. It's very mass appealing and I love how gorgeous is this packaging. I love it. Next one I ordered is Tiziana Terenzi Lince. I ordered Well and I loved Well so much that I thought, okay, maybe I can get another scent. by Tiziana Terenzi, and then I saw a review on Brooklyn Fragrance Lovers page. I read about the ingredients and how does it smell and what's going on in the fragrance, and I thought, okay, I loved Well by Tiziana Terenzi, and maybe I should order this one as well, because it has something to do with winter vibes and winter, and I thought, okay, we are still in winter here in Germany, so why not to order it? And it was a very good price point. I had to get it, and I will smell it now the first time. I love the packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful bottle design. I love everything about it. It's very high-end. I spoke about it in my Well video as well, about the bottle design and the packaging. How does it smell? Ooh. It's a little similar to the Well one. It's creamy, soft, powdery, creamy. You can't say what it is, so I can read what it says about the story behind, because the story behind is always so beautiful. What do we have? Bergamot, orange, grapefruit, absinthe, green tea. Okay, it's very well blended. Orange, yeah, you get the orange. It's very well blended. It's a beautiful one. So the fig one, I get fig as well. Yeah, orange blossom, okay. Base note, sandalwood, vanilla. Yeah, totally agree. Okay, the story behind, if you're interested, where is it in English? Here. On a particular dark, cold, late winter night, Paolo and Tiziana were in Palermo. We discovered this wonderful creation. It opens with the freshness of Sicilian citrus fruits, bergamot and orange. Immersed by grapefruit, all imbued the hypnotic power of absinthe, tempered by the unusual touch of star anise and green tea, a drop of liquid seduction inspired by beautiful Sicily. I love the story behind, and I get the rose. I get the rose notes. No, a little more. The green tea, okay, I'm not a fragrance expert, you know this already, and I love the story behind anyhow, and it's a wonderful, beautiful scent. It's perfect for stay at home. I will test it more and give you my total review later, but these have been my new purchases, and I will recommend some beautiful German chocolate. Oh, it's so good. It's delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.